Lessons Rock Talk. That was just the pentatonic scale right there, the 8 pentatonic scale. Do you want to learn the pentatonic scale? And learn what these little stickers are on my guitar for? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons Rock Talk. Today we're going to talk about the pentatonic scale. Penta means 5, tonic means notes. So we're going to start off with the A pentatonic scale. The notes in the A pentatonic scale are A, C, D, E, G, and then it repeats again. So that's the 5 notes in there. What I did here is I went to my local little stationery store and I picked up some stickers. And I do this once in a while when I'm learning stuff or when I'm teaching people. It's just easy way to know where you are on the fretboard, what notes you're at, what frets, what strings, etc. And with this you start learning it, and then you start taking the stickers off, and then you can learn from there. But the pentatonic shape that I'm going to be showing you is the pentatonic shape 1. You could use this up and down the neck. It's the same, I guess, pattern all the way down and up. So let's just start by playing it and take it from there, okay? Back. That was the A minor pentatonic scale. I don't want to say that's really easy, but if you practice it, it will get easy, and then you can just move it around. That's the G. Back to the A. If you guys like this video and you think it's helping you out, please give me a thumbs up. I'm always looking for subscribers. I like to thank a lot of people on the Facebook groups that I'm on that give me ideas for some lessons. So subscribe and we'll keep playing more. But like I say, this is pretty simple. I don't want to turn this into a 20-minute video, just nice and easy. But before we get into it, I do have a chart like this I'll put on the screen. But if anyone would like one of these, just leave a comment, let me know, and I could email you it at no charge, free. So you can use that to help you continue your learning. So we'll do the A pentatonic scale again. A, C, D, E, G, A. C, D, E, G, A, C. Pretty simple. I could put it on distorted channel and we can see what that's like. So that's the pentatonic scale. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what lessons you want to learn next. We'll see you then. Take care. Rock on.